Separate cos inverse 3i upon 4 into real and imaginary parts. Okay, so we need to separate this into real and imaginary parts. So what we have to do here is, we will assume, let cos inverse 3i by 4 is equal to some x plus I by, a real part and one imaginary part. X plus I is standard form of a complex number. Okay, then this from here we know, therefore we can write this as cos of x plus I by is equal to 3i by 4. A simple thing, that is, if sin theta is equal to x or cos theta equal to x, then theta equal to sin inverse x, using that one. Okay, so same way, if cos inverse of theta, say cos inverse of this is equal to x plus I by, therefore cos of x plus I by is 3i by 4. Now we have to expand this using cos of a plus b, that formula. Okay, so here also, like in trigonometry, you were having cos a plus b, cos a minus b, then tan a plus b, all that formula. Here also we are having all that formula. Almost they are same, only there will be little change in the sign. So this cos of x plus iy formula is given by cos x cos hy minus I sin x sin hy. So we know cos a plus b. If it is cos a plus b, then cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So same like that, only similar to that only. Here cos x cos iy will come. Cos iy. Cos iy is cos hy minus sin x sin iy. Sin iy is I sin hy. So this is the formula of cos a plus b. A plus x plus iy. Okay, cos x plus iy is this one. So using that, we'll expand this one. Therefore here you will get cos x cos hy minus I into sin x sin hy is equal to 3i upon 4. Now here 3i upon 4, here just I will write this as 0 plus 3i upon 4. Means we are writing this also in the form of a plus ib, real part plus imaginary part. Okay, so 0 plus 3i upon 4. Now here we will equate the real and imaginary parts. So here what we have to do is, we have taken it as cos inverse is 3 cos inverse 3i by 4 equal to x plus iy. So here x is the real part, y is the imaginary part. So ultimately we need to get what is x and what is y. That is what we have to find out. Okay, so for that, now equating the real and imaginary part, equating real and imaginary parts here. So cos x cos hy cos x cos hy is equal to, real part here it is 0. Then equating imaginary parts, I sin x sin hy is I 3 by 4. Okay, so we can take minus sin x sin hy is equal to 3 upon 4. So this equation we got. Now here cos x cos hy equal to 0. This means that cos x equal to 0. Can you please say the reason why it is cos x equal to 0? Why I did not why I did not write cos hy equal to 0? I did not write here cos hy is not equal to 0.
H is unknown.
Hmm?
H is unknown.
H is unknown. H is a hyperbolic function है. H is, this means hyperbolic cosine. Do you remember the table which I had given you like this? So in that table, if you look at that table, you will understand that. Okay, so here cos x equal to 0 and cos hy is not equal to 0. Now cos x equal to 0 means what? Which angle of cos will give you 0?
90.
90, very good. So x is equal to 90 degree, 5 by 2, because cos 90 is 0. Okay, cos 90 is 0, so x is equal to pi by 2. Now here same way, here minus sin x sin h by equal to 3 by 4. That means minus sin value of x is pi by 2, sin h by equal to 3 by 4. Okay, so this is minus sin pi by 2 means sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is minus sin h by is equal to 3 by 4, or we can write sin h by. Sin h by is equal to, take the negative to this side, so minus 3 by 4. We need the value of y. Okay, therefore from here y is equal to sin h inverse 3 by minus 3 by 4. So I hope you remember the formula sin h inverse z. What is sin h inverse z? Sin h inverse z is equal to, we did yesterday, what is the formula? Sin h inverse z, log of z plus under root of z square plus 1. This is a formula of sin h inverse z. Okay, so put that value here, means here instead of z we have minus 3 by 4. So we'll be using this formula. So this will be equal to log of z is minus 3 by 4. Okay, so log of minus 3 by 4 plus under root of minus 3 by 4 square plus 1. This is log of sin h inverse z form. Okay, so this is equal to log of minus 3 by 4 plus under root of, now square this one, 3 square minus will become plus, because minus 3 by 4 the whole square, so it becomes just 3 by 4 square. 3 by 4 square means 9 upon 16 plus 1. When you simplify this one, you will get the answer. So that is equal to log of minus 3 by 4 plus, taking LCM. Here when you take the LCM, 16 is the LCM. So 16 plus 9, 25 will come. 25 upon 16. You need not do all this. Okay, you can simply write in the simple way. Minus 3 by 4 plus here root of 25, 5 and 16, it is 4. So it is log of 2 by 4. Log of 2 by 4 is log of 1 by 2. So log of 1 by 2 we can write it as minus log 2 also, means this is log m upon n form. Log m by n is log m minus log n. So log 1 is 0, so the answer can be 0 minus log 2, or it is minus log 2. Okay, or you can keep it here also. So this is the imaginary part. Therefore the real part means cos inverse 3i by 4 is equal to x. X is pi by 2 plus I by I into minus log 2. So here it is minus log 2. This is the real and imaginary part.